ensam bi wo ho a otaite ewo Ghanaian celebrities someone omo se Ghana de ye penipa sei wo bi epagya ne mu ana young boy bi epagya ne mu se wo ya de entrepreneur wo make scape obon se Ghana for empenyifo no bebem nkola wo bi abebem na trese ya sei nipa no ye ne ayateman we mu ena je hu se ne na apia mensa se ne na nkofo boje ne so asem to no ye ne aye hu de esi ye ewo Ghana ha sei nkrofo sopa na ebe ya se na apia mensa kra no na woni dofo ewo oman we mu na me wama because embra na apia mensa wo cheska na wo ya adoye ne nyama no we nya nkrofo se wo mo ye den wo mo sopa no okwa asem mu no ene wo scammer na ende ase madwenya ehu se sa asem na wo bi kan se Ghana we spoil our own no eye ne kre eye suban bia etiye mu obi we bisa se na aden na wo kasa se aden na sebe o super Ghana fo se na menso me Ghana ni tie nya se me yi me hu afim ye ni na eye suban a etiye mu asem ne sen yetiefo enda me ne wo kasa yi na apia mensa wa sha ase se bo tua men's gold customers we are shocked as e bia okra wati asem we no you are shocked yes enda me ne wo kasa yi ende 27th Nana Apia Mensa has started paying men's gold customers, but we are not hearing it anywhere. Senior Nana Apia Mensa assemble ye na Joy FM fuafa we yafa we mu make story all over no. And there washa se wutia, but no media outlet is reporting this. Now I have receipts my phone so etiefo wo be hu receipts of people getting paid their full amount. Nkrofo ayeti omo full amount. I have it my phone so na some kaya endru 2 weeks ni me the breaking news be brew etrel say Nana Apia Mensa the schedule be eba bonten womo a anasenia payment na ebe sha ase se ebekọ womo a womo de omusika ko she men's gold mu no womo anti ehon del da womo ndi ho del da no womo ni ebe sha ase se ye tua womo first intend am ne wo ka sen nkrofo asene me screenshot of their bank alert wo hwa bank transfer ana obi be say wire transfer that be wire transfer ya bro just a bank deposit na ha sa na be kan bank depositor nkrofo yi ensa kan wo musika ende me ne wo ka say ya ade a AC now Nana Apia Mensa himself has come online to speak on this. Now some people are also speaking on this, but still the matter is not trending. Obviously we make us a Ghana there yempe good news, maybe because it's good news you know. But say me ko Nana Apia Mensa ensema watro na yehwe de wono angasa wode atuja. Now this one Nana Apia Mensa posted, I note with excitement that the first batch from the first category of the men's gold payment schedule has been successfully made today. And then I know can say 27 December. Nana Apia Mensa will release this particular statement no and do 1 hour cry. Into what person what say Ghana for atiase say men's gold for no say me a category no the first category no womo first badge with tia womo. Now we know the tia so say I admit that the momentum is not as fast as we desire in the face of the bank account freeze, asset preservation, and more importantly, huge sum of debt owed men's gold overseas not yet recovered. But we are committed to providing payment service with speed in the weeks ahead as we endeavor to overcome these impediments in the best interest of all customers, stakeholders, and for the good people of our dear republic. Kindly accept my best compliments of this festive season. The work and say still Dubai a year and summer a buy year sika nkrofo de ne kanina no still want to me nkoji say sika ne ye enyama bebre wo ha still still and that me no say was still Iroko still omo fizi ne bank account na tese sika eda wo no akasa ne personal bank account mu no Iroko for still omo fizi na nini mu no still we tear the first batch we tear womoka na senior wire schedule no can say the weeks ahead no we be so ahwe say we be tia wo nso na we posted this particular thing no a lot of people are speaking. The first person that posted here and the first person that comment here is Stone Boy, and a Stone Boy emoji sign of prayer. What they abeto comment nase actress say yes na appear mensa na mijiwudi obi nso say xylophone shall prosper and only asema will be aka obi nso say God bless you in all things inti eno nso ni asema will be kan obi say God bless you Ghana shall prosper and then they Ghana for and God bless you obi say wow obi nso say jajimieno you pay those with so okay, Obi say Jajimieno, you paid those with smaller amounts, leaving those with big principals. So far, 3 people I have seen you paid. Jajimieno, now you grow. And hey Ghana, I don't know how to Obi count. Obi say God bless you more. Obi also say it shall be well, brother. Obi say can we know those who have been paid for accountability purposes? And only asema Obi nso can say omo yeti omo no can we know for accountability purposes. Some people also saying say it's just 3 people and Nana Appiah Mensah with tia womo, but I mean senya ade we ehya ase no na nkrofo kan wontia this particular thing it tells you how Ghanaians we are extremely funny. And bra aban ko ye ekogu men's gold no de na Ghana for ye kan Nana Appiah Mensah ye kronfo for ye sika maye wo ye kronfo. Now ye tin say Nana Appiah Mensah di ni sikechi wo Dubai Dubai for ekochi ni tumu no ye this story no buy na so de na Ghana for kan and they say hey Nana Appiah Mensah wo boa wa sheda de sike dwane na wa sheda the story about say ya chi ni wo Dubai ye nchi ni wo Dubai dia ye Ibra one crab abonten the sansem ne betu dwa say Nana Appiah Mensah ne ye nchi ni wo Dubai dia ye na ye ntro fair enough evidence by ya ye hu say Nana Appiah Mensah indeed he was in Dubai custody no nkofu say enye nenim inti no photoshop enye nenim fair enough. Ghana for yeti say Nana Appiah Mensah win court case wo Dubai ye jani mu amana befie no omobua mind games na madam fo bia minim no chese wonu pu de woka say ye ntro mind games ma wokofa information Nana Appiah Mensah flight a wonemu ni nyama na madam fo nankasa ko check sa flight ni information na madam fo ni hu say ne kre Nana Appiah Mensah na will be womu awoba, but still he wasn't trusting. Now Nana Appiah Mensah ebedu Ghana no airport no ye nya the picture bia de eti ya ne say Nana Appiah Mensah aba bedu Ghana afi nkrofo edumoka say the picture wa he we bedu Ghana the picture wa he oni Ghana fair enough. Yeti say aban e de no air court no and also picture mba Ghana force Edimuka Nana Appiah Mensah is not in Ghana fair inti when we say the assembly bar what Ghanaians say and also say we say you court on the first and the first day na Nana Appiah Mensah bar ya court no ye nya picture bi anti na nkrofo ka say ade a journalist abodom pemeko gu court on e ba na say na obi ntumi nya picture ba ko kra inti na nkrofo ka say ni nia mind games. Yawa wana Nana Appiah Mensah cast wo be press conference. Afi wo be press conference wo show nenim wo bia gidi say indeed Nana Appiah Mensah wo Ghana no. Wo mo na wo mo doubting all these things wo mo cast Nana Appiah Mensah no ni Ghana no. Wo say kronfo craft for yesika man wa ba Ghana craft for yesika man afi we hu be bia argument na a shift free. They not believe in Nana Appiah Mensah Abagana na proof afi wo be ye press conference or say wo Ghana no asema afi wo mo sha say so wo mo kan no say fa yesika man afi ye wo ho ana de din aba Nana Appiah Mensah ye kronfo wo ba bonten meka say wo the schedule eba ebetia no some top people in the radio like the media scene media industry some top people eba abonti e be ka say letter na apia mensa de aba abonti a wa betro no na apia mensa ne lawyer enso atro different thing nti tre say wota ene ne kran so senior na apia mensa ka asem no ne law firm no so e be kan contradictory to what na apia mensa actually said. But the na journalist na can say and no tre say schedule na apia mensa de aba abonti say bo pese woti an tre say embem because the lawyer na say me de me nim asem ne ho hwe. Fair enough. And then yenya proof say at least if for nothing at all krana and then our car say we be share payment na say and then na wa share payment na say if for nothing at all krana yenya ante say we tia ebimo we hu be bia eye sisi anso nkrofo e de argument ne kodu yes o nkrofo a we tia omo yem yen sape we bi si o omo a we tia omo ye omo musike ni suano dia ye sika so no tia yen enti we hu where the argument has started from ABC ha baby a edri and there was say we tia na we try say kakra at least when there we tia first batch ochina so ochina weekend from Monday so be sure say we tia other badges no we will end the Ghana for air it's here for we dey want try ma comment box no me that say